Why do we need psychology? Well, psychology is everywhere. We use psychology in every aspect of our day-to-day life, from perceiving and understanding the world around us, to processing and exchanging language and communication with others, and to thinking about our own behaviour and that of other people.
So one thing that characterizes Bangor is that staff are very approachable. Students are given the care and the attention that you would not expect from pretty much any other place in the UK.
As an international student, Bangor generally feels like a second home. You always know there is someone to talk to about your academic or personal concern.
The research and the neuroscience heavy modules, particularly the developmental and brain degeneration modules, have really accelerated my desire to follow a career in research.
Each of our undergraduate pathways are BPS accredited. One of the beauties of having the same curricula for year 1 and 2 at each of our pathways is that you can actually choose to change pathway partway through your course.
In my first year module, Brain and Mind, I got to work on a real human brain. Seeing it in real life made what we were learning feel so much more real.
One of the things we do here at Bangor particularly is we try and build your confidence, and we do that through our oral presentation training package.
I'm actually not a great public speaker, however I did manage to stand up in a lecture theatre full of first years as a course representative, and that is purely down to the progress through POPs.
Graduating from a BPS accredited degree enables you to register for one of the professional psychology professions, such as educational psychology, clinical psychology, occupational psychology and health psychology. But actually, graduates of psychology can go on to do a range of different professions where we use our skills and understanding of people and human nature in professions such as marketing, healthcare, education, data analysis and so on. During your time with us at Bangor, we give you an opportunity to undertake work experience or a placement as either a 2-week placement opportunity during your summer between year 2 and year 3 of your degree, or as a full year placement that you can take during that time.
On my placement year, I worked as a learning support assistant in a secondary school. I worked closely with pupils dealing with emotional and mental health challenges. It really opened my eyes and showed me that I want to make a difference. That hands-on experience is something I will take with me into my future career.
Clearly, the world today is facing unprecedented challenges. Psychologists are the ones that can help and can find pathways to solutions through research, but also through counseling and seeing situations and how to solve them. This is the job of psychologists. They are a huge source of hope. And of course, you need good psychologists, and that's what we produce in Bangor. So come to us, we'll teach you how to be good psychologists for the world, and you'll really enjoy the trip.